What's up, guys? It's Titus, CEO of T-Vero. Today, I will be talking to you guys about how you can make a graphic tee with 3 easy steps. All right, the first step is get you an image. Get any image online, type it in, search it up, any image. That's all you have to do. The second step is look at the image. Write a few things down about the image. And when you do that, you can make the best graphic. I'm telling you, it's easy. It's very easy. It's not as hard as you guys think it is, and like these other clothing brands make it seem like. I'm just starting out though, so I can't speak too much about that specifically. But what you want to do is use those words that you write down about the image, right? Make a quote, make a lyric, anything about that. And when you do that, you put the quote on top of the image on a shirt. So like if you go to Adobe Photoshop, put like have the background t-shirts on there, and then grab you an image. Look at your quote that you wrote down. When you do that, you put the quote onto the shirt, adjust it any way you like. So I'm gonna show you guys right now on my computer how you can do it within a few seconds. All right, let's get to it. Pop. What you want to do is grab yourself an image. Get an image offline. So, for example, you can go to Google, search up images, and what do I want to look for? Sun. They have the sun up here. I'm gonna do the moon. Moon. Okay. Alright, so there's a lot of images up here that look decent and look pretty good for a graphic tee. Okay, so grab yourself an image. Let's just use this one. Okay, what I'll write down, it's white. It's a full moon, looks like, and has craters or any of that, all that. But you have to think outside the box. When you think outside the box, think about what the moon means, what it does. There's a lot of different things to it. So I'm gonna go to my editing site that I use. I prefer Canva because Canva is more efficient for me. And I'm gonna type in moon. Moon today. We're gonna be working on the moon. Okay, moon. These images. Okay. What do we have here? Okay, you got some nice images. So I'm gonna just use this one. Okay, put the image on the back of the tee. Looks like a decent image. Not too bad. Align it, make it look good. Okay, so for this image right here, I look at it, I see multiple different colors, but the main thing that I notice is the moons are changing phases. And that looks pretty interesting. So I'll go to text, add text. Okay, I'm gonna type in, let's see, phasing like the moon. Phasing like the moon. Phasing. Get over here. Phasing like the moon. See something easy right there. Phasing like the moon. You can either put it on the image or above it, wherever you like it to be. Just make sure it looks crispy and drippy. Phasing like the moon. I think I should put it. Yeah, right there is cool. Alright, what else do I want to add? Let's just add another text. Alright. Instead of phasing like the moon, I would put something more relevant, more interesting. It's our time to change. Make this a little bit smaller. And I'm going to use some nice fonts. Nice fonts are some of the big eye catchers. If you have good fonts on your t-shirts, you're going to get sales. Like, people are going to buy your t-shirts. Alright, phasing like the moon is our time to change. Let's change the font on this up here. 32. Phasing like the moon, I don't like that one like that. Alright. See, this is a little bit more fitting with the shirt. Lower the font. Phasing like the moon. Time to change. You can make the image a little bit smaller, or however you like it. So that's how I make my graphic tees within a few minutes. It's not that hard. Once you get the hang of it, and like just thinking outside the box mainly about your wording and what images to use. I can even put something inside this little circle. Let's see what I can put in here. Phasing like the moon, it's our time to change. Yeah, I guess I'll just put it like right there. Then what could I do with this? And that's a banger right there. I might change the font on this to make it look a little bit more, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. So this is how you make a graphic tee within a few minutes. It's not that hard if you really think about it. Once you guys get into making graphic tees, either for yourself or for a brand, it's very easy. It comes consistent. Like, there's no problem after a while. So once you do that, you can put your logo or whatever on the front or do that. I might use this for my clothing brand. Might as well, why not? So what you guys want to do, find you a nice editing site or Adobe Photoshop. I use Canva because Canva is more efficient, like you can see. They have templates up. You can upload image or video, like all kinds of things on here. It's very efficient. If you guys want me to talk about Canva a little bit more in another video, let me know down in the comment section. But until then, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.